So here you can see our most popular product, the hydrangea. Right now, here, without any human being, this automatic machine can produce a huge amount of hydrangea flowers. So this machine stamps the form under the plain material. Here you can see how the hydrangea heads are prepared for shipping out. So every hydrangea head take a lot of control procedures before sending out to client. So you can be sure you will get the right one. So here you can see the final stage of making the hydrangea bush. You need to use a little glue and then put this flower on the stem. Actually, this process is not very complicated, but you should take a great care. Because the amount of glue shouldn't be too much and shouldn't be too small. Okay, now it's ready. Finally, I've made my first hydrangea bush. The hydrangea is the most popular product among the florists and decorators. So with our company, you can find any color, any shape you want. Real Touch company provides you with a big variety of orchids of different kinds. It's Phalaenopsis, Cymbidium, and any other orchids of any other color which you can ever imagine.